Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create beautiful waterfall braid. She has quite thin hair, so I'll show you how you can create hairstyle on thin hair with layers. So even though she has quite thin hair, I haven't crimped her hair. Instead, I have straightened her hair. This hairstyle looks really pretty with straight hair. Now I'm using Streaks hair serum to control frizz and to add shine to the hair. And this tail comb, but you can use your finger instead. Now I'm taking very small amount of this hair serum on the palm of my hand because I have already applied serum on her hair. That's why I'm taking very small amount. I'm starting from the tip of the hair and evenly applying all over her hair. Now I'm starting this hairstyle with deep side parting. You can definitely create this hairstyle with middle parting as well. It is completely up to you. Now I'm taking a small section of hair from her part line, dividing into three equal sections. Top strand, middle strand and the bottom strand. Cross the top strand over the middle, bottom strand over the middle, top strand over the middle. Now instead of crossing bottom strand over the middle, I am going to drop it. You can make your model or client hold the strand for you. As I am left only with two strands, I am taking a small section of hair right next to the strands I've just dropped. Crossing top section over the middle, also adding a small section of hair. I am making this section even more thinner or smaller. I am taking my time smoothing these strands with my fingers. Crossing bottom section over the middle. Now I am again dropping the middle section. I am again left with two sections. I am taking a small section of hair right next to the strand I have just dropped. Now we have three sections. Cross the top section over the middle. Also add a small section of hair with it. Cross bottom section over the middle. And again drop the middle strand. Now she is holding a strand for me. Again I am taking a small section of hair right next to the strand I've just dropped. Crossing top section over the middle. Bottom section over the middle. Again adding a small section of hair. Smoothing it out with my finger or with the help of comb. As the hair is quite silky and straight, so I am taking my time smoothing the strands with my finger. You can definitely create this hairstyle on crimped hair. Guys, I know this hairstyle looks really complicated, but it is actually very easy. Once you practice it, you will be pro in no time. Repeat the same process until you reach the back of the head. Once you reach the back of the head, continue the normal 3 strands braid without adding any hair. Now I'm using little bit of hairspray to control the frizz because I'm going to create a flower. To create a flower, I'm pancaking the right side of the braid. I'm using a little bit of hairspray on the tip of this braid because I'm not going to use rubber band, but you can definitely use rubber band. With the help of hairspray, I'm making this tip very sticky, so I won't have to use rubber band. Now I'm wrapping it around my finger, creating a rose. Now with the help of bobby pin, I'm securing this flower. I'm making sure the pin is not visible. Here I'm using another bobby pin. And here is the final result. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself, guys.